They're going to take a room next to us, though, yeah.
You want me to ask? Huh? You want me to ask and then you do it? Okay, like my friend wants to ask, wants to know if she has the coolest thing ever. Or do you want to say it? I can do it. Okay, do it.
Have I played any of the Kingdom Hearts games? The question, and the answer is no. I was in one of the new Transformer games where Cybertron, and they had a big party at the studio where we did that at. And you were supposed to get, I played Skyward then, you're supposed to get the character. I like the Nintendo.
Raise your hand higher. They can't see you, kid.
You want this? Get your character done now. You can play out anyone. Ready? Ready? Excalibur. Excalibur. From the United States, I'm looking for him. I'm going to California. Excalibur. Excalibur. So tell what you think of that. What's your favorite song? You do that for my ringtone.
First off, I love you all, especially Detroit FMA. Huh? I just dressed this way this morning. Oh, thank you. But people, like, I love all of you guys as voice actors, and people say that I can do the best chicken impression in the world, and I want to know what you guys think. Okay, do it. Bob?
But can you say hashtag?
That's my age, ladies and gentlemen.